Introduction to Rocket Money.
Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a popular app designed to help you manage your finances. Its powerful features include tracking your spending, monitoring subscriptions, and identifying ways to save money. Whether you want to cancel unused services or lower your monthly bills, Rocket Money simplifies the process and puts you in control of your budget.
Finding and reviewing subscriptions.
Once you connect your bank accounts and credit cards to Rocket Money, the app automatically scans for subscription charges. You'll see a list of all recurring payments, like streaming services, magazines, or gym memberships. Regularly reviewing this list helps you spot subscriptions you may have forgotten about or no longer need, making it easier to take action and save money.
Canceling unnecessary subscriptions.
Rocket Money streamlines subscription cancellations. If you see a service you don't want, select it and tap the cancellation option. In many cases, Rocket Money will handle the cancellation for you by contacting the provider. For subscriptions that require manual cancellation, the app gives you clear instructions. This saves you time and prevents surprise charges.
Lowering your monthly bills.
Rocket Money can also help reduce your bills. Submit recent bills for services like cable, internet, or phone right in the app. Their team negotiates with providers on your behalf to try to secure lower rates. If they succeed, you keep the savings, minus a portion of the reduced amount as a fee for the negotiation service.
Staying on top of your finances.
With Rocket Money, you get notifications when subscriptions are due or when spending trends change. These alerts help you prevent overdraft fees and spot unexpected charges. By regularly checking the app, reviewing your subscriptions, and exploring bill negotiations, you can keep your finances organized and uncover new saving opportunities.